Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today what we are going to be making is a login system graphical user interface, also known as a GUI in Python using Tkinter. Now first things first, I'm just going to say I haven't uploaded in the last 2 months for various reasons, but now I'm going to start a schedule going from Saturday, every Wednesday and Saturday, and then we'll see if we can up it from there. And yeah, let's get right into the GUI. So today we are going to be making a login system. First things first, you need to import Tkinter like so. So just from Tkinter imports, and then asterisk like that. I've already done it there just to get it set up, and that's the first thing we do, and we can get all the properties from Tkinter. Now we need to make the same as normal Python, I guess, but a procedure here. We're going to make screen1 is equal to capital T K, like that. That's all we need to do to make a screen. And now we need to add, give the screen properties. So we're going to do .title, so same as Python turtle. Then we're going to call it, let's say, register here, like so. And screen1, now this is to get the width and length of the screen. We're going to, it's screen1.geometry. And then brackets, we have to make sure to put quotation marks, 400, and then x 300. That's how it works in Python Tkinter. Now we need to make the username and password variables. So username is equal to a string var. We just need to define it as a string variable. Then we can just copy and paste this and make it password. There we go. Now the variables username and password both have the string variable attached to it, so the program knows it's gonna be a string, right? Now here we're gonna just make properties to the screen. So we're gonna add a label. Then in screen1 is the first parameter. So the program knows where to put it in screen1, where we defined up here. We're gonna do text is equals to, no brackets needed in there, enter details here, and then finish that. And then we need to pack it in. So we need to pack everything in to the screen. That's how it works. So now we're going to do we're not going to add any new text, sorry. We're going to just leave a space so it doesn't go line, then the next line's already more text. To do this, pretty much the same thing. So instead of adding anything to text, we just add 2 quotation marks. Same thing, .pack. Remember, the .pack is very important so the program knows where to put it. .pack it into the screen where we defined here and made here. Next, we're going to do label. This is all text for the label. Same again, screen1. We're going to do text equal to username. Oh, well, that's inconvenient. We're not right in the right place. Screen1 is text equal to username. And then we can even put an asterisk here as the required sign, brackets, .pack. There we go, like so. Now we're going to do an entry. So this is like where you can enter, for example, the username. So we're going to make it in screen1. Text variable is equals to the username variable here, and it's already assigned as a string, brackets, pack. Now we're going to do another label here to make sure for password. So actually we can just copy and paste this one, copy and paste that under here, and change this to password. And then we can copy and paste another entry and make it here password, like that. Now that is the sign up done. Now let's move on to the login. Obviously there is no like database for this. This is just showing how you can make the login and sign up system. If you do want to progress this program further, you could involve text files and save data and all of that. If you would like to see a video on that, let me know in the comments below. Now all we need to do here is the same thing as up here. Copy it down here, make this screen 2, and then we can make it login here. Now we just need to make this username 1, just so it's called different things then here. Right, now we need to do pretty much the same as we did here, but the difference is there we need to change this all to screen 2, so it shows in the second screen that we define for the login. And then we can say, actually no, yeah, that should be good. Just change this to password 1, username 1, and then yeah. Now there is something that we also could do. We can make a button with Tkinter. We can make a button on both here. Let's go back to the sign up one. We can do back to screen 1. Then text, we can do just register. And then .pack, that can be made as a button. We can copy and paste this, put it down here, change it to screen 2, and we can do login. Here. There we go. Now, outside of any function, we just need to make one more screen. So we're just gonna not call it screen 1 or 2, we're just gonna name it normal screen, like so. Then screen.title is called login system. And then we can just copy this for the geometry, change it back to normal screen. Oops, didn't mean to put a 2 there. And then we need to do a label. Here we do not need to define where it's going because it's not in a function, it's just here. Oh, make sure that's TK. Screen text is equals to login system dot pack. So pack it in there. And then button. Now here is where we use these procedures. Button is equals to text equals login. So if the user chooses to log in, this screen here is like the main menu if they choose to log in or register. Login, there. Now command is equals to login. So it'll do this function, function here, right? .pack. Remember everything you need to use .pack. Now label, we're gonna leave a space. But we've done that here. Here. Just get rid of this. Don't need it. Make that like so. And then the last one is another button like this. But we're gonna make it register. And then command sign up. There we go. And I've already done this one before, so I don't know why it's so far low, but here we're just going to do screen dot, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but all it was screen dot main loop, and I can delete the other one here. Sorry about that. Right, screen dot main loop, and yeah, this should be the whole program. I'm just gonna save it real quick and we'll run it. Here we go, guys. So we have login system here. So this is the original screen. We click login, take us to another screen, login here, and we can, this is obviously fake. I'm just gonna write FLR password code. There is code that you can make this asterisk if you would like and make them show it, but this is a more advanced login system, I guess. Login doesn't do anything, it's just there to make it look good. If we click register, same thing here, and register. And that is how you make a graphical user interface using Python Tkinter. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I just have something to say. I have 2 games out on the App Store and the Google Play Store. One's called Rocket Glide and one's called Slide and Dodge. I would really appreciate if you guys go check that out. Link will be in the description. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.